Hello everyone, this is Alidu Adams on the mic, and then I would like to talk to you about some solution to resolve the COVID-19 pandemic virus which have worrying this world. Doctors have been working to get the vaccination for the coronavirus, but they are still working, but no answer for them. But they are advising us to stop the connection or the greetings to ourselves. But we forgot that money exchange is one of the biggest problem in us, because we cannot stop exchanging money, because we need to buy things and then buy things and sell things in order to live. For that reason, the virus is still spreading. It is still spreading all over the world, and then we need to do something. But before everything, some have already brought things which could help to stop this money exchange, and then can bring happiness to in our life. This is GloFast Coin. GloFast Coin, which was created by a man called Rilwende Ouedraogo in Burkina Faso, and then this is the first coin in, I think, Africa. And then one advantage about this is that it trend, and then it is changeable between two people, and then you can access to your account when you want, do whatever you want with it. And then one thing is Donald Trump have his own coin, which is Trump coin, and then Akon have his own, which is Acoin. And then this is the world now. The big people are in. So what are we waiting? The first Bitcoin were created by someone which we don't know, because if they get to know the person, he will die. We need to raise up Africa. See, we are suffering. Africa, we are suffering. We are doing our best to do it to grow up, but still things are not working. We need to wake up, do the necessary things. So this is the one way of getting rid of this virus. And then if we all agree to this, and then in this too, there is no bank, this thing, like bank will not come in and do this and do that. I will not agree for you to get your money for this and that. And then let me tell you one thing. The first Bitcoin were created in 2009, and then one Bitcoin was less than 100 CFA. But right now, one Bitcoin is more than 6 million CFA. 6 million CFA. So we need to wake up. And my last advice is for you to always drink lemon juice with hot water. That is the solution.